Hello viewers, Mezcal here. Today I'm going to have a crack at fixing this. I scored this for $100. It was a sample brought in from work. Occasionally at work you get boxes from the warehouse that say sell these for this price, and they're samples that have been sent from China to JCar to see if they want to sell them. And this thing I guess has become a bit of a Frankenstein, because obviously the Chinese were pitching this to JCar to try and get them to buy this product. So there's the Duinotech label there instead of the Malyan label. The box it came in says Malyan M200, and if you search that you'll find Hobby King are flogging them for about $300. That's shipped to Australia from America. Actually, I didn't check the shipping price, I just went with what the price was. But at any rate, it seems all these thermistor, all these little printers have thermistor problems. Now, I don't know for certain, but when you look there, I'm getting temperature readings from the bed, but not from the head. And I wiggled that wire there. Sure enough, the thermistor's broken. So that's a good excuse to pull the lid off, have a look, get right in there. I started taking the sides off last night. After doing that I realised that wasn't required. I don't need to do that at all to get in there. Okay, so I probably want to lift this up so I can work on the head. This thing's saying it's got Wi-Fi as well, so that's interesting. Where am I going? There we go. Right, plugger. Start taking the base off. Have a look in there, see what we got. Now, I may need to solder, but if it looks easy enough. It did come with a spare thermistor, but I can't see that pin out. These little black JST plugs. I can't see JST plugs from looking in the sides here, so that's why I want to take this off and have a good look, see what I'm up against. Then you got the spiral wrap that's bundling it all up. You've got to undo that. Pain in the ass. Feed it up through the body of this thing. Should get the other printer doing something while I was sitting here doing nothing. Print. Hopefully the tin on this is strong enough to hold everything together here, because once that bottom plate comes off, there's nothing structural about the box. I could have left the sides on, and I'll never find that screw down in that box again. Lost a screw. Yeah, so I can't see a JST plug that goes to this board anywhere, so whatever they've done with the thermistor, it looks like I'd probably best just chop this thing off here and solder it up on the head, because that way I won't have to feed all this bloody wire through. What colour is the thermistor wire? Looks like it's white. 2 wires are white. Those there. What kind of board is this? I'll bring the camera in close. The annoying thing with starting these is you've got to catch this little head priming thing. So if you're not right there ready to do it with your tweezers, I feel like it needs a little brush in the corner so it can just wipe its own bum. Alright, so the plan is leave that, stand that up and work on the head. This thing's got a heated bed, by the way, which seems pretty cool. For the size of the printer too, it's got a fairly, quite a bit bigger build area. It doesn't have screws in the corner like this one does. The screws in the corner obviously take up a bit of space. You couldn't print out into those edges. It's a bit stiff, a bit out of shape. What's that ringing bell? Well, that ought to do. Let's get it on its feet. Unspool this crap here. So obviously it's these two white wires here I need to join onto. I think I'll do the join up here where I've got room to work. The problem with machines like this is because you've got all of this bundle coming to this moving head. As the head moves around, it wiggles all the wires, and then the wires break and the thing stops working. Well, you can see wear and tear on that insulation. Stuff's hard to strip. Oh, it's hex. It's a hex that didn't come in the box. It's not even tight. It's a problem. And there it is. What you talking about, Willis? I didn't exactly see how that come out. So it was bent, so I must have to bend it and stick it back in there. The same sort of bend. Like that. This feels like a very bodgy way to do it. Alright. Give myself enough room to work with there. I'll cut that about that length. Need to get some tools to strip that. Okay, there we go, that's the tool. Just turn my iron on now, got the soldering iron ready there. Bit of heat shrink. Heat shrink over the lot. Skinny stuff for the individuals. Smell that solder. So as soon as I hook this up, I'll turn it on and see if I've got temperature signal coming from print head. And if I do, then that's a win. Simple as that. Next time you see this printer, it'll be printing. along. That'll do. Let's turn her on and see if she's happy. Yep, look at temperature, look at that. Start preheat. Stop preheat. Alright, so there you have it. That's how you fix a thermistor on a MALYAN M200. Yeah, as I said a little bit earlier, the next time you see this printer, it will be printing. Thanks for watching.